Let's go find out what the fuck it's about. So, we need to talk to this guy. Alfred Stonemason. See what the fuck he has to say. I don't even know where we're at. Let me find out where we're at before I even do that. We are... Oh, in Remington. Okay. Alright, so at your service. Build a building exactly to your liking, etc. Build a mansion. Once you've got yourself some walls around you, you can build a furnish it, your home, all this shit. Also an adventure. Turn with fucking monsters and trophies and quests and all that fun shit. And by being able to construct your own furniture, you'll be able to learn from all sorts of cultures. Who gives a shit? Okay, I already own a house. What happened to that? If you did have one originally, it might have gone amiss. Oh, they deleted houses. That's wonderful. Nice. All those prawn perks gone. They've reassured us their new methods are fault-free and that any furniture you had has been recovered and stored away safely for now. So what do you say? Home ownership sounds exciting. How do we get started? Wonderful. Head over to the fucking real estate agent right now. Okay. So let's talk to this bastard. I like the house. Wonderful. I just signed my fucking name. Alright, time to go to the house. See what the fuck's there. Oh wow. It tells me where my house is. My house is a lot smaller. Holy shit. Alright. So I can't fix my armor anymore? Is that what this motherfucker's saying? Oh Christ. No. No, I don't want to remove. I want to use it. Oh Jesus. Okay. Let's remove the cobwebs at least. I mean, all this shit's broken, so might as well. Okay. Now what's happening? Alfred Stonemason. Oh, no point in having a house if you're just gonna leave it empty. So I have to build everything again. Okay, I know how to build logs. You gotta be kidding me. So they're making you go through a whole tutorial again. Got any nails? That's enough to build a chair. Holy shit. Let's go to the workshop. Let's go to the workshop. Let's go to the workshop. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Okay, is this fuck calling me? Yeah, I tried that, bud. Oh, you fuckwad. So, works if you bank all your shit. That's fucked up. Store your new bullshit in here. Yeah. Oh my god. The fuck they want from me? Here, I'll put a chair right there. How's that? The end.